Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Admin Kulbas with Ravite. Till now we discovered the credentials of the vulnerable machine. We get the access of the file system, and we extracted the password from etc shadow file, and we get all the login credentials, and we have saved the credentials in. We have shortlisted two passwords, which is the one is the user password and one is the MSF admin password. Others are the services which are not in our use. We need to just two things. We have saved the passwords in two files. So in the password.txt we have saved the MSF admin password, and in the password.2 we have saved the user password. So first we will use the John the Ripper tool to crack the password. First we will use John, and then we will use the file name password.txt. One second. So we will use John again and the password file. So here you see the password is starting. So here we can see the password is already cracked. I did it earlier. So let's see what is the password. So the password is saved in cache. So let's clear the cache by removing the file John. Again we will start the password cracking. So let's try with another file. So here we can see the password is user. Let's try with it. So here you can see this is our Metasploit machine. So let's try with user. So we have logged in. Let's see ls. We don't have a file. Let's try who am I. See, we are user. We got the user access. Hello, hello Srinivas. Are you there? So Srinivas, we today we did a password cracking. So in the previous class, we discovered the user credentials. Okay, we shortlisted two users, the user password and the MSF admin password. Okay, have you watched the video? Okay. Okay, I will just give a quick summary of what we will did in previous week and what we will do in today. Okay, so in previous week we discover the shell and we find the files which contain the password. Okay, so the files are the etc shadow file and etc password file. So in the shadow file, this file contains the passwords. Okay, and in the shadow file, it contains the password, and in the password file, it contains the username. All the username and the system existed on the system. Okay, so we copied we copied these two and saved it in the file. See, these are the files. Let me show you. These are the files. This is the password.txt and password2.txt. We saved two users. Okay, the user and the MSF admin user. Okay, so we cracked one password which is of user. Okay, and we use the command John the Ripper tool to crack the password, and we got the user password. Okay, and then we just logged in and we got the access. Hello, hello. Okay, okay, so 1 second. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Is my screen visible now? Okay, sorry for that. I forgot to share the screen. So in previous week, as I told you earlier, we got the access and then we harvested the credentials by extracting the file etc shadow file and etc password file. Okay, in the etc shadow file, we got two users, the user and the MSF admin. So these are the two users. Those the user have the normal privileges, the MSF admin has the admin privileges. So we cracked the user password. Okay, in this we use John the Ripper tool to crack the password. Okay, we got the credential as user and user, both as username and password. So we tried to access the machine and we got the access. So you can see here, I tried who am I and this is a we are user. Okay. So by this you can access the machine and try to log in it after cracking the password. Okay. Have you got till now what I have said? Hello, I'm audible. Hello, hello, Srinivas, I'm audible. So have you got what I have told you? What was the password cracking, how to credential harvest the credentials, and how to extract the password and how to log in it. So Srinivas, I am expecting that you are already working on the machine and you are preparing your report. Have you doing or no, it or not? Okay, okay, no problem. We are doing at very small steps, so you can cover up easily. Okay, so Srinivas, let me show you a sample report, yeah, which I haven't show you. Let me share a sample report. Okay, so this sample report is basically based on this cyber kill chain. Okay, so how to do anything on how to gain steps, how to practice it. Let me show you what is how to do that. Okay, so 1 second. So this is basically a report which I have made for sample. So it is based on our cyber engine. First is the reconnaissance, then we try to exploit it, then we gain the access, then privilege escalation and cracking and brute forcing and login. Okay. So these are the 6 steps I did. Is you can also do it in 5 steps also. You can do it. Okay. So this type of report you have to make it is a very basic report. You can do it and it any format. Okay, in any Word file or any PDF or any format you want. Okay. So see it carefully. Okay. So you have to do it. Then you have to do this type here. This is the procedure or how we this is the image. I hope you can see it. This is the image of the output of art scan we did. Okay, so you can also make this interactive by using the paint tab or any other editor. Okay, so you can also mark it as this is the our machine, this is the Ubuntu machine, etc., etc. Okay, okay, Srinivas, tell me any doubt, otherwise we will wind up the session. What? I didn't get it. Your voice is cracking, bro. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I will share you the PDF. I will share you the PDF. Don't worry. Okay, okay, Srinivas, thank you for joining. I will share the PDF with you. Thank you for joining, Srinivas.